In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove overlapping or duplicate objects in AutoCAD using the OVERKILL command. If you've ever noticed your file size creeping up, unexpected lines showing in plots, or sluggish performance while editing, duplicate or overlapping geometry is often the culprit. The OVERKILL command is a reliable built-in tool that cleans up those extras, so your drawing stays lean, accurate, and easy to work with. Before we start, it's a good idea to save your drawing or create a quick backup just in case you want to compare results or roll back. First, open your drawing and type OVERKILL in the command line, then press Enter. You can type it in uppercase or lowercase. AutoCAD recognizes the command either way. This launches the cleanup workflow right from your current drawing, so there's nothing else to load or configure before you begin. Next, select the objects you want to clean up and press Enter. You can window select an area, pick specific items, or even select the entire drawing if you want a broad pass. If you're working in a complex file, consider isolating layers first so you only affect the geometry you're focusing on. The more targeted your selection, the faster the command will run and the clearer your results will be. Now you'll see the Delete Duplicate Objects dialog. This is where you tailor the cleanup. Choose which object types to check, such as lines, polylines, and blocks, so you don't inadvertently change things you want to keep, like certain annotation or specialty objects. Set a tolerance value if needed. A small tolerance helps catch micro overlaps without merging elements that are intentionally close but not the same. You can decide whether to ignore object properties like color or layer when detecting duplicates. For example, if two lines are on different layers but sit on top of each other, leaving those properties considered will prevent them from being deleted. If they truly are duplicates regardless of layer or color, choose to ignore those properties. For polylines, enabling options that optimize segments can remove redundant vertices and combine overlapping pieces. And for blocks, you can allow the command to remove identical block references at the same location to eliminate repeats. When you're happy with the settings, click OK to remove overlapping or duplicate objects. AutoCAD will process the selection and report the number of items it cleaned in the command line. Take a moment to pan and zoom around your drawing to verify the results. If something doesn't look right, use Undo and try again with a more conservative tolerance or adjusted property settings. Run OVERKILL periodically as part of your cleanup routine, and you'll keep your drawings lighter, faster, and more reliable.